sucker, so I had to hustle. Stomach growling like a lion, I was really hungry. Ain't nobody wanna help me, got it on my lonely.
Alright y'all, so for this video we're just gonna be doing a POV night drive. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm not gonna try to talk. I'm gonna just make it a pure raw sound POV night drive. So yeah, let's get it. Alright y'all, that should be it for the video. If you guys are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to support me on more future content. Put your post notifications on and hit that like button for all my videos. But yeah, should be it for the video. Oh yeah, you're not a true car guy if you don't have your own fucking car as your wallpaper. Straight up. Just kidding. Fuck yeah. But alright guys, I'm out. Peace.